Meron pong nakalap na impormasyon din ang aming tanggapan na gusto kong ilabas sa pagdinig na ito na makakatulong sa mga ahensyang naririto sa kanilang ginagawa, lalong-lalo na sa lumalawak na cyber activity na ginagawa laban sa atin. Ito ay isang gawain ng isang foreign power na nagpapatuloy maging sa oras na ito. Ito po ay isang kontrata na pinasukan ng isang korporasyon, Infinitus Marketing Solutions Inc. This contract made and entered into August 2023 in the city of Makati by Philippines, by and between the Embassy of the People's Republic of China in the Republic of the Philippines, represented by the Director of Media and Public Relations, Chinese Embassy, Mr. Wu Qingqi, with office address at 4896 Antonio Arnaiz Avenue, Makati, Metro Manila, hereinafter referred to as client, and Infinitus Marketing Solutions Inc., represented by Micah Pointon, Marketing Director with business address, nandiyan naman po, Valero, Makati, as the provider. Ayan. Ang trabaho po, babayaran ng kliyente, nakalagay po doon, payable to Infinitus Marketing Solutions, bank deposit, magta-transfer, magbabayad po. Ang kliyente po ang People's Republic of China, meron silang agreement. Ang trabaho ng Infinitus is to provide keyboard warriors. Nagbayad ang embassy ng China sa Infinitus Marketing Solutions ng 930,000 pesos. Ang bangko, Bank of China. Bank of China for the activities mentioned in the contract. So nakita natin yung services na ginagawa nung Infinitus, hindi po ito normal public relations. Hindi po ito normal PR campaign. Ang ginagawa po is to openly provide information and convey the policies of the Chinese government. The money that the Chinese embassy paid was for something hidden and sinister. It was to finance a troll farm. Troll farm po yun. A covert disinformation and influence operation against the Philippine government and the Filipino people. Pinagmamalaki po nila doon sa report ng Infinitus na meron silang nung maaga pa lang, hundreds of fake social media accounts they have created using fake personas. Nagpapanggap ng mga ordinaryong Pilipino, teachers, estudyante, negosyante, members of the armed forces. Each fake persona pretending to be one of us. So, ibig sabihin po, yung lumalabas sa Facebook ay hindi totoong tao. Hindi po totoong tao, ito po ay troll. Nagpapanggap na mga maestra, nagpapanggap na OFW. Kaya lang, ang ating mga kababayan ay naliling lang